Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I feel tired all the time, and sometimes I have a headache.
How long have you felt like this?
For about 3 weeks now.
Do you sleep well at night?
No, I usually go to bed late, and I wake up many times.
I see. How many hours do you sleep?
Maybe 5 or 6 hours?
That's not enough. Adults need around 7 or 8 hours of sleep.
Yes, I know, but I work late and I feel stressed.
Stress can make you very tired. Do you do any exercise?
Not really. I sit at a desk all day.
Exercise is important. Even walking 20 minutes a day can help.
I will try.
How about your diet? Do you eat healthy food?
I eat fast food and drink coffee every day.
Too much fast food and coffee is not good for your health. You should eat more vegetables, fruit, and drink water.
Yes, you are right. I will try to change.
Good. I will also give you a blood test to check your health.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Please come back with the results next week. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, doctor. I've been very tired lately.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
For almost 3 weeks. I don't have much energy.
Do you get enough sleep at night?
Not really. I wake up many times and I feel tired in the morning.
Do you drink coffee or energy drinks?
Yes, I drink a lot of coffee during the day.
That might make it harder to sleep. Do you also feel stressed?
Yes, my job is very stressful and I often work late.
Do you eat healthy meals every day?
Sometimes, but often I eat fast food because I'm busy.
I understand. Poor diet and stress can cause tiredness.
So what should I do?
Try to sleep at least 7 hours. Eat regular healthy meals and reduce coffee. Exercise can also help.
Do I need any tests?
If the tiredness continues after a month, we can do blood tests. For now, focus on lifestyle changes.
All right, I'll try that.
Good. Please come back if you don't feel better.
Thank you, doctor. I will.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem today?
Good morning, doctor. Lately, I've been feeling unusually tired, almost exhausted, even after a full night's sleep.
I see. How long have you been experiencing this level of fatigue?
It started about a month ago. At first, I thought it was just stress, but it hasn't gone away.
Do you usually sleep through the night, or do you wake up frequently?
I wake up several times, and sometimes I can't fall back asleep. When morning comes, I still feel drained.
And how about your lifestyle? Do you have a demanding job, or any recent changes in your daily routine?
Yes, my work is quite demanding. I've been working longer hours, and I often skip meals or just grab something quick.
That could certainly contribute to your symptoms. High stress, irregular meals, and lack of proper rest often lead to fatigue.
That makes sense. I also drink a lot of coffee just to stay awake during the day.
Too much caffeine can disturb your sleep cycle, making the problem worse. Do you exercise regularly?
Not really. I don't have much time or energy for that.
I'd recommend some lifestyle adjustments. Try to set a consistent sleep schedule, eat balanced meals, reduce caffeine intake, and add even light exercise, like walking. These changes often improve energy levels.
All right. Do you think I should have any medical tests done?
If your fatigue continues for another few weeks, I'd suggest blood tests to rule out conditions such as anemia or thyroid issues. For now, let's first see if lifestyle changes make a difference.
That sounds reasonable. I'll do my best to follow your advice.
Excellent. If your symptoms don't improve, come back and we'll take the next steps.
Thank you very much, doctor. I feel more hopeful now.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you if the problem persists.